Like what happens when you start to age and how do we address it effectively?
In terms of oxidation, there's an ad hoc study on the web that shows our product to be 172 times more powerful than vitamin C. There's peer-reviewed published research that shows it to be 125 times more powerful than vitamin C. So our current theory is the BOSS theory, buffering oxidative stress system. And it looks like this. We know from peer-reviewed published research that this ESS60 molecule gets into the mitochondria. We also know from way back in the 90s when it was discovered that it can hold up to 6 negatively charged particles on the exterior of this cage. So what that means, mitochondria, powerhouse of every cell, there's between 50 and 5,000 mitochondria in every cell in your body, except for your blood cells, which have 0, and your brain and neurons, which have 2 million. Like any powerhouse, there is a negative byproduct. In the case of mitochondria, it's reactive oxygen species. Internal to the mitochondria, you have the antioxidants glutathione and melatonin to manage those reactive oxygen species. But what happens when you stress a mitochondria? When it's stressed, it starts producing more reactive oxygen species than the resident glutathione and melatonin can manage, and that's where we think this ESS60 molecule comes into play. We believe it holds on to those reactive oxygen species so they can't run around and do any damage until that mitochondria can replenish the glutathione and the melatonin and then manage them properly.